What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Boys Family Dinner. We like to eat on a budget.
Today we are going to be making another $1 dinner for you guys. $1.
Yeah.
So we are going to be making a veggie lo mein tonight. So we are going to start with spaghetti noodles and put them into our boiling water. I like to break it just because it's easier to eat that way. But we are also going to be using just half of this box. So the total for spaghetti noodles is going to be about 50 cents since this box cost $1. Are you snacking on the veggies, Ray Ray? And then we're going to get our pan heating up over here. Put some oil in and let that heat up before we add our veggies. Are you having a snack? Little boy crazy hair? Little boy crazy hair? Is it yummer? Yeah, you like it? So now that our pan is hot, we are going to use half of this bag of frozen veggies, and we are just going to saute those. This bag of veggies cost just over $2, and since we are only using half of it, it's only going to be about $1 worth of veggies. And then the sauces that we will put in will add up to about 10 cents worth of the sauces. So this meal total is going to cost about $1.60.
Our spaghetti noodles are done cooking, so we're just gonna drain them and set them aside while our veggies cook. All right, the veggies have been cooking for a little bit, so we're gonna start our sauce. We're gonna start with a couple tablespoons, so 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Okay, we're gonna add just a touch of sesame oil. Sesame oil is one of those things that a little bit goes a long way. So we're just gonna do a touch here. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar. You wanna help, bud? Okay, if you don't have sugar or if you have honey, honey would probably be good in this as well. Okay, good job, buddy. Can you put it back on? Put the lid back on. Okay, and then just a little bit of Siracha. Again, this one's to your preference. I love spice. Lindsay's not too particular, so I'm just gonna start with a little bit, and then I can always add more to mine. Okay, we'll mix all that in, let the sugar dissolve, and get the sauces going. We're just gonna go ahead and add our noodles now, and get that all tossed and mixed together. All right, y'all, thanks for watching.
We know you really liked our last $1 dinner video, so we hope you like this one as well. But please let us know in the comments below if you want to see more $1 dinners or if you'd rather see more copycat meals.
Thanks, guys. We'll see you later.
Oh, good using chopsticks, Ray Ray. Good try. Yeah, that's easier, huh?